Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be looking at how to export and import multiple presets or patches. I've had this particular question in my comment on one of my videos. So here's how we go about it. So you could hold Control or Command if you're on Mac. So Control Shift or Command Shift if you're on Mac to select multiple ones. So the Shift allows you to select a range. Maybe I want to start from 42B to 41A. Right now my hand is on Command or Control. So when I add the Shift, I then select the bound with which I want the tone to be, the presets to be exported to, maybe from 42B to 42A. Sorry, 41A. Realize it selects everything. So if let's say I want to select individual ones, maybe this one, and that one, you just have to hold the Control or Command if you're on Mac, and then you click this particular button, the arrow that looks to the right, and then you click OK. So it will show you a dialog box that you would have to select where you want to save the patches. So I want to save it there. I'll say okay. So now supposing let's say I cleared my patches and then now I want to import them again. I can hold, I think there are 3 in all. So there are 3 in all. So I can come over here and then choose import, the arrow that looks to the left, and then say okay. Then navigate to where I have my patches saved to. I could hold Shift and down to select the multiple ones, or I could also hold Control or Command to click to select the ones that I need, and then I'll say open. Now when you click open, it will show you this particular UI. So I want it to populate from 38A. So 38A. So yeah, so we'll start from here, this one and that one, and then it will allow you. So you see something, because the presets are 3, you realize it is 2 of 3. I've only selected 2 spots. When I add a 3rd spot, it shows overwrite. So I want it to be overwritten because it's a blank patch. But supposing you had other patches over there, and then you click overwrite or rewrite, it will clear what was there and then put this new patch or preset over there. So I'll say okay, and then it will load the preset, and then it has been successfully uploaded. So now if let's say I don't want this preset anymore and I want to clear it, I could select either one like this and then click clear, or I could hold Command again, click to select the ones that I want to clear, right click and then choose clear. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to clear this preset? I'll say okay, and it goes away. So if you were wondering how to import, export and clear multiple presets on your Valeton GP200, here's how to go about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.